设备设备设备 In ancient times, 设 was written as the left part refers to the mouth and tongue. The right part indicates a hand setting up a tea table. So the original meaning of 设 is set up, 设. The extended meaning is suppose, 设想. In ancient times, 备 was written as it's an arrow container. This character indicates getting ready to fight. So the original meaning of 备 is get ready. The extended meanings are 装备 equipment, 备 fully. 设备 设 means set up, 备 means equipment, 设备 means equipment. 学校实验室里有世界最先进的设备。